we're back here on our Suburban project. I got my hangers tacked up. I got my Air pneumatic chief chisel. I'm gonna turn around here and we're gonna start chiseling off the old front leaf spring hangers, get these ones bolted in place, and finish marking up where they need to be welded on the backside. And then I can take them back to the wire feed and fully weld them up for assembly. So let me turn you around here and I'll show you what we got. All right, so this is what we have. We have these factory rivets. I think there's 6 of them back here, and then there's 2 down here, and I believe that's it. I had to disconnect the core support bolts right up in here on both sides. That way they can come out. Anyways, I hope that helps. I'll shut you off so you don't have to hear the air hammer, and then we'll get a shot of what it looks like when we're done. All right, there's 3 done. That took about a whole 30 seconds with that air hammer. I think if you used anything smaller, you'll have to split them with a grinding disc to get them to actually cut. I'll go ahead and finish them up, see what we get. All right, so there it is. All the rivets popped off, those 6, 2 on bottom. Here's our passenger side hanger. Keeping it all as one unit just in case I want to use it on something else. All right, so that's popping the rivets. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. All right, there's the kit. It's all mocked up, ready to be welded. This is the support on this side.
All right, we're getting the next Dana 44 with the reed knuckles ready to go under the new Suburban project. Gotta lift it up on the tractor and drop it somewhere over there.
Welcome back, everybody. We spent all morning getting these B52 front shackle hangers mounted to the front of the frame rail. If you want to zoom down here and take a look, we got them all bolted up. Got the 6-inch leaf spring bolted up. So we run into an issue right here. This is a B52 hanger for a rear leaf spring. So your rear leaf springs are 3 inches, and we had an issue because when we put this new lift kit spring on here with the bushing, it was 3.5 inches. So we had to do some modifications to our leaf spring bushings to get them to fit properly. So just remember that. Those are for a rear, to be able to use a rear leaf spring in the front. That's what this is designed and made to do. We wanted to use these new 6-inch lift springs, so we had to make the adjustments and modifications to get them to work. So think about that before you try to do this DIY 4x4 rear 52-inch leaf spring hanger kit. That being said, it's a Dana 44. We're not using this. We just used it to keep the wheels from spreading. We still have to hook up all of our crossover high steer. But yeah, we got her in this morning. I'm glad to see it up. We got the wheels on it. Got to see what they look like. And we're going to go ahead and get started pulling our jack stands and getting the rear lifted up and trying to get the rear axle and leaf springs underneath it today. So stay with me and we'll keep you posted. All right, we got the rear axle dropped out of there. We're going to go ahead and take off these old leaf springs, and then we're going to bolt on the new 6-inch rear leaf springs. So I'm going to cut you off here. I won't bore you with pulling these things off. You saw it all on the front, so same idea. We're just going to unbolt these, and then I'll check back in when we get the new ones installed. All right, here we are. Welcome back. It's been a long day. We got the 6-inch lift in the front, 6-inch lift in the rear, got the 14 bolt hooked up, got the disc brakes on. Everything's good to go in that aspect, but we still have to do the extended brake lines. We've hooked up the drive line. We still have to do the front steering linkage, the crossover high steer, before we could even drive this thing. So we're gonna do a little walk around. I hope you guys like it. It's been a lot of work today. We still have to put on all the shocks on all 4 corners as well. We didn't do any of that. It was tough enough to get these axles under here today.